I will tell you why you need to buy a CNC machine from a professional CNC machinery manufacturer. Today, a professional CNC machinery manufacturer specializing in CNC machining production ensure high quality product, high standard. We have our own competitive partners for material supply and service. We have experienced R&D engineers and our professional sales team, and large assembly room and our team for assembly. We can provide wide range of options and customization abilities. We can provide different types of CNC machines such as VMC, HMC, CNC lathe, engraving machining center, 5-axis, gantry machine center, multitasking machines. We also can customize the design, materials, and fixtures according to individual requirements. Buying from a professional manufacturer ensure the after-service support and maintenance service. We can provide technical assistance, spare parts, and repairs if needed. This ensures the longevity and proper functioning of the CNC machining system. As a professional CNC machining manufacturer, we can provide high quality products, warranty coverage, after-sales support, and customization options.